Okay, hi there. This is Mr. Routhier. I am back. This is tutorial 3 on the Premiere Pro CS6 certification. So let's fire up Premiere Pro. And there are some confusing things that we kind of need to go over. I think what we're going to go over in this tutorial is saving. There's a couple of ways of saving things in Premiere Pro. So let's learn the difference. Okay, let's fire up a project. I created a little project called tutorial. That's a clever name, isn't it? And what I've done is I've imported the Angry Birds movie tutorial, which I'm pretty excited about. I'm hoping to be able to see that. I haven't met anyone that wants to see it, but I think it's going to be fun. I was a early on Angry Bird guy. And I don't see anything in here, so we'll just import that. Here we go. There it is, Angry Bird movie. Excellent. Fabulous. And I'm sure you know your way your monitor. This is your source monitor. Here's your program monitor. This is your project panel, which is extremely important. Here is your timeline / sequence area. Okay, so let's take a look. We've got our Angry Bird tutorial. We got our Angry Bird video right here. And just for the heck of it, let's insert this into our timeline. You just go on up here, and there should be an insert somewhere. Bam, insert. All right, and we will just modify it. By the way, this is the scaler, if you don't know what that is. See the little finger on there? And see, I can make this. You can see this is about a almost a 3-minute video, and as I move this scaler, it shows more of the video. So kind of ideally, it's nice to be able to see the whole thing, unless it's a long video, and then you really can't. All right, so we'll just change this just for the heck of it. I don't like the end of this, so this is my select, and I will just let's get the arrow pointing the correct way this way, and we'll just trim off half of it. Wow, we did it. Okay, great job. So now the normal way of saving, as you guys hopefully know, is you do your file save or save as. Let's do a save as. And you go in there, and this is going to be a PROJ file. That's a Premiere Pro project file. If you guys remember, when you save this, it does not create a video. It creates a Premiere Pro project. Okay, so this is we'll call this Angry Birds. Okay, and I'll save this. I don't like where this saves. I'm just going to put it in my video folder so I can find the darn thing. And it's going to save a Premiere Pro project. Okay, so if I go into my file manager and I go to videos, I see this cute little purple thing. This is the Premiere Pro project. This is not a movie. I can't watch this. I have to, if I open it up in Premiere, I could watch it from within Premiere, but I can't, this is not a video. Okay, you can see these other things, these MP4s and stuff, FLVs, these are videos. Okay, so that's basic saving. Now, you're also expected to be able to save a workspace. Now, take a look at what we have here. The whole way that all these panels are set up is known as your workspace. If you go into Window and Workspace, you can see there's a variety of different workspaces that are set up. Let's say I want to go in and I'm audio editing. So I want to use an audio workspace. I can click on this, and my tools will change to all of the audio tools. Okay, isn't that nice? There's my mixer and my program sequence and la 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 la. So your workspace is just, all it is, it's how these crazy panels are set up. As you can see, when you click on Window, these are all your different panels. Okay, and if I like my audio meters, I can turn that panel on. You can see it over there. You can turn all the panels on and off that you like, and it will bring all these things out for you. Okay, cool. There's the capture panel. And then I can save that workspace. Okay, so let's go back to the workspace that I had before. I guess I was using editing. And let's say I create a nice workspace. I add something else in here. Let's see what I want. Let's say I want effects. Okay, so there's effects. And I really like this way this whole workspace is set up. I can save this thing. Okay, it's called saving a workspace. So when you see saving a workspace, no, you're not saving the file, you're saving the workspace. So you go Window, Workspace, and then you're going to create a brand new, if the test asks you to create a new workspace, you just click on it and you say, whatever, I'm going to call this Routhier WKSP. Okay, so there's the Routhier workspace. I'm going to say OK. And now this is the Routhier workspace. Okay, I didn't change the name of the file. I just created a workspace. If you go into Window, Workspace, you'll see I created this Routhier workspace right here. You can see previously I created another Routhier workspace. Now, by the way, if your workspace gets messed up, all you've got to do is go in and reset it. If I screw this thing up, I can click on Reset Current Workspace, and it will put everything back the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so that is saving. That is the difference between saving a file and saving a workspace. Is that enough for now? Okay, so that's enough. That's just a little quickie tutorial. Thank you for listening. See you later.